Luisa, Luisa, Luisa. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Luisa. Hope everybody's doing well. Yes, a trip to my mailbox always feels like Christmas or my birthday. I love receiving shipments and I'm so excited because today I'm going to be unboxing the Potomac Beads Best Bead Box. And it's for the month of June, so I'm real excited about opening it up and seeing what's inside. But before we do, I want to talk to you about this beautiful necklace that I have on. Thank you to everybody who responded to my community post, and I will be doing a tutorial very soon, but they always take a little bit of time, so give me some time and I promise the tutorial will be ready soon. And I just love this necklace because it's so versatile. I know it's very romantic and it's perfect for a bride or a bridesmaid, but can you imagine it in different colors? If you're a hopeless romantic like me, you would make it in different colors and wear it to different occasions. Now, before we get into the unboxing for the Potomac Beads Best Bead Box, let's go to the website real quick and check out the subscription. As you can see, they have two boxes, the Best Bead Box and the Best Bead Box XL. And the difference between the two is that the XL is twice as big. So the Best Bead Box is a really good deal because it comes with one paper project and all the supplies that you need to make that project. They do have 6-month plans and 3-month plans and a monthly plan. But if you sign up for the 12-month plan, it'll be the lower rate of $19.99 per month plus the free shipping in the USA. And the XL, like I said earlier, is twice as big, so it has 2 paper projects and all the supplies that you need to make those projects. In addition to some other beads, additional beads and findings. And Potomac Beads does a really great job of offering free video tutorials for the projects that come in these boxes. Box XL is actually $35.99 per month, and just like the other one, it has 6-month plans, 3-month plans, and 1-month plans as well, monthly plans. And of course, the 12-month plan is the most economical, and it comes with free shipping as well. All right, let's go ahead and get on with the unboxing. Okay, let's open up this shipment. All right, there's the box, Potomac Beads, and I love this box. I love this magnetic closure. It is so cool. All right, let's open it up and see what's inside. The name of the box is called Serengeti Safari. Take a trip to the plains of Africa where tones of gold, copper, and emerald stretch as far as your eye can see. You spot a leopard in the branches of the stoic acacia tree, lazily flicking its tail as it naps in the midday heat. Strap on your binoculars, lace up your hiking boots, and have a wild adventure with this month's Serengeti Safari subscription box. How cool is that? And inside are the contents of the box. On the left is the project, and on the right are the rest of the beads. Okay, and there's a little bit more information. And let's have a look at the project. Here it is. It's called Knotted and Wrapped Summer Jewelry by Ali Buckman. Okay, and here are the materials that you need. And inside are the instructions, very well laid out. So yeah, I'm looking forward to making this, looks like a wrapped bracelet. Okay, here are the contents. And they've made it so easy because now they have separated the project beads from the rest of the beads. So we're going to go through the project beads first. So let me pull them out and I'll be right back. Okay, so here are the contents, and the first one is a spool, a little spool of waxed linen cord. Let me pull it out. Now, I've done a lot of wrap bracelets in my past, but I've never used waxed linen cord, so this will be something new. And the color is black, and it looks about maybe 1 millimeter, maybe a little bit less than 1 millimeter. Yeah, I think it's maybe 0.5. I'm not sure. The description doesn't say how big the cord is, but it's a nice black color. So that's the first item, okay? And the next one is a metal button, and it looks like it's a bronzy color. Very pretty. Okay, there's the back of it. Let me bring it up closer so you can see the design. And I love using these kinds of buttons in my wrap bracelets. Very pretty. Okay, the next item is a bag of Miyuki beads, and they're, let's see what size they are. They're a size 2 Miyuki beads, and they're 10 grams, okay? And I love the color. The color is purple, magic purple cranberry, it looks like. Let me pull them out. And I love using these kinds of beads in wrap bracelets. They're just the right size. And the holes are big, as you can see, so you can use bigger leather if you want to. But of course, these are for the project, so we're going to be using this leather. Cord, I should say, linen cord. But yeah, these are really pretty. They have like an inner core that's a cranberry, purplish cranberry color. The outside is a clear color. The inside has that coating of purplish cranberry. Very nice. Okay. Next is a bag of spacer beads. Okay. And there are 20 spacer beads in this bag. And again, they have pretty large holes. And there's a little design on them. I can't really see what the design is, but there's a little design on the side of them. All right, so I put my magnifiers on, and it's a little tiny flower. Let me bring it up closer so you can see. There's a little tiny flower on the side of that bead. Very cute. I love these. Okay, so these are the items for the project. There are 4 items, and I'm looking forward to making this bracelet. My bracelets, the ones that I've made in the past, are usually 5 wraps, but I think this one's going to be a little bit smaller than that. I'm not sure, but I'm looking forward to that. All right, let me bring out the rest of the items. Okay, so here are the rest of the items, and let's go ahead and go through each one. The first bag is a bag of tiny tassels, and they're like a very bright yellowish color. Almost neon, but they're very cute, and they're wrapped with like a gold colored wire. Let me bring them up closer. So these make cute little charms on bracelets, and you can even use them on necklaces as well. I've seen people do some beading around the top of them as well. That would be another option. Very cute. Okay. The next bag is a bag of rounds, 4mm rounds. Very sparkly. Oh my gosh, I love these. I love the electroplating on them. Very, very sparkly. I love the color. Can you guys see that? Let me bring it up closer. Very nice. And there are 25 pieces in this bag. Okay, next is a bag of cylinder smooth pewter beads. And they're basically spacer beads, and the holes are pretty big as well, so you can definitely use these with some kind of a cord or leather. Very handy to have some of these in your stash. It's a beautiful focal, silver toned, and it has 7 loops on the bottom, as you can see, and it measures 43 by 41 millimeters with 2 loops at the top. I like to hang these on a necklace and then hang some beads in between the loops, or one larger bead, one maybe oval shaped bead. I've done that before, but this is a substantial size, very nice focal. I love it. There's the back of it. Okay, so it's one-sided, but that's okay. And it's very heavy too, so it would sit really nicely on a necklace. And here's a 4-gram bag of round duos in a jet bronze color. So of course these have 2 holes, and I love this color. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Such a pretty color. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but it's a very pretty color. Let me see if I can adjust the lighting a little bit. I think this is the best I can do for now, but it's a really, really pretty color. So 4 grams is about 25 beads. And I love using these. I love 2-hole beads because it just opens up so many possibilities in any design, whether it's a necklace or a bracelet. And here's a 4-gram bag of Ginkgo beads, and the color is Aztec Gold, and it's a matte finish. Let me pull them out. I just love using Ginkgo beads. I've used these in the past, and I love how they fit together in a design. Here's an example where I've used the Ginkgo beads. These are a different color, but I love these. I just love the way they fit together. Let me bring it up closer so you can see. So yeah, these are a lot of fun to use. They really are. And this is a beautiful color. It's 4 grams. You get about 17 beads. But I love the matte finish. I really do. That's really pretty. Okay, so here's a bag of Potomac Crystal Slim Nevets. And the color is Montana. And these Nevets are 4 by 16, it looks like. And I love the color. Very pretty. Let me bring it up closer. It's like a very deep blue color. And these look really nice in bracelets as well. They really do. So yeah, these are going to look really gorgeous in a bracelet. So if you line them up like this, it's kind of hard to do because they keep flipping over, but if you line them up side by side in a bracelet design, that's how you would use these, because each one has 2 holes. Can you guys see that? So that's how you would use them, with beads in between. Beautiful. I love these, and I'm looking forward to using these in some kind of design. And there are 12 of them, so that's a nice number. And here's a Potomac Crystal Trillion, 2 of them. I've never used a trillion. I have seen it on the Potomac Beads website many times. It's kind of like a triangle, as you can see. It has 3 sides, but the sides are kind of angled a little bit. They're not flat. So that's a very interesting design for a bead. And I think I've even seen tutorials. I think Potomac Beads has some tutorials using these beads. I know I've seen it somewhere, either on their website or on YouTube. And these are a very pretty green color. Okay, next is a 7-gram bag of 6mm faceted Czech beads. And it looks like they're kind of a greenish color mixed with a little bit of amber maybe. So they're dual tone, different shades of green, different shades of amber. Very pretty. And as you can see, it goes really well with the rest of the collection so far. So we have a lot of earth tones. We have green. I'm really loving it this time. Okay, the last item is this bag of faceted rounds, 4mm, and the bag is sealed. So that's a little different because all the other bags weren't sealed. So let me snip it open and we'll take a closer look. So this is the curveball in the collection because the color is very, very bright, guys, okay? It's like a bright coral color, but that's okay. I always like a challenge, okay? And this is going to be a challenge. It's not quite orange and it's not quite red. It's just like a very bright coral color. So how do you like that with this? 2 very bright colors, but that's okay. Like I said before, I always like a challenge, okay? And I like it when people give me beads that make me think, okay? And these are definitely going to make me think. And you know what? It's not that frightening, okay? Because when you get a bright bead like this, they actually look really pretty as little accents, okay? And I'm not joking, okay? So for instance, say you have a bunch of beads that are like neutral and you add a little accent here and there. It really adds to the design. Can you guys see that? Okay. So just because these are bright beads doesn't mean I can't use them. I'm actually looking forward to doing something with this bronze color. So yeah, these are going to be challenging for sure, but you know, they're going to tap into my creativity and I like that. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. All right, guys, that's the full collection. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. I'm looking forward to doing the project, the wrap bracelet. And anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.